Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to run moltbot or clawdbot locally with ollama. This is the instance of clawdbot which is running on my local machine on Windows 10. So I will show you how you can run it with the ollama. So let me show you the steps. So first you have to install ollama version. First you have to install ollama latest version and you should have at least 0.15.2 ollama version installed on your machine. If it is not installed, then go to ollama.com and here you can download it for your operating system. I already downloaded and ollama version is 0.15.2. After installation, you need to install moltbot or clawdbot. I will provide you the tutorials for installing it on Linux as well as on Windows system here. Then you have to, after installing moltbot or clawdbot, you have to pull GLM 4.7 flash latest model, and this is the command. It is already there in my computer. Next step is to stop the gateway. So clawdbot gateway stop. This gateway is already running in my machine, so I will stop the gateway. It is stopped, and now next step is to launch clawdbot with ollama. The command is ollama launch clawdbot --config. So these are the models on my machine. I will select the GLM 4.7 model, then continue. Yes. Now it is launching the clawdbot with GLM 4.7 flash latest version. So it is disconnected. Now connected actually. After the model is loaded, clawdbot is loaded, and this is here. Now the model is loading, and after some time it will give me the answer. So these are the steps for installing. These are the steps for running ollama with clawdbot. So these are the steps to run clawdbot with ollama. First you need to install the latest version of Ollama, then install the clawdbot or moltbot, then pull the GLM 4.7 flash latest, stop the gateway, and finally run the gateway with ollama launch clawdbot -config, and gateway will restart. And on this IP address, on this port you will be able to access the dashboard. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.